Hi, I'm going to do a quick live trade, and it will be quick because I'm busy this afternoon. I've got a video call I need to do, and I'm not sure how long it's going to take. So let's roll the intro, and I'll tell you what I'm looking at, and I'll come back to it later on this afternoon when I'm finished. Hi, welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Langers, and as you can see looking around me, I definitely am the scruffy trader. But I do have my toys, and I've got Winky in the background who's not doing her job because this is not quite full yet. Wink, we all know what Scruffy likes. A good rant. No, I'm not ranting today. I'm actually having a good day today. Ish. It's early morning, so it's just starting to kick off. But it might kick off in here if she doesn't get that coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. Sorry, anybody who's just tuning in, never been here before, will be thinking, who is this raving bald lunatic? You're right. Just me being me. Hello, beautiful. Do you know what she did? She went like that. How ladylike is that? Terrible. You would never see me ever stooping to anything like that at all. No, I'd go right in for it. Sorry, off on one. As I said, I'm busy this afternoon and I need the video camera to do a conference call. So it might be a bit jumpy today. I mean, my videos are jumpy anyway because looking at me, I am no Brad Pitt and I'm certainly no Steven Spielberg either. I am getting better though, or at least I think I am. You know, I quite like doing this as a hobby. And if you like trading in the real world and just see somebody who does it as a day job, because this is my living, please subscribe. Crack the little like button, generally motivates me to do more. If you've got a question, drop it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it. Because for all I do play with all my toys, etc. Thank you, my love. And take the mickey out of Wink on a regular basis, which has sort of been the running joke for ever. We pulls apart. I'm as rough as sticks, always have been. Even when I worked for a blue chip company, I was always kind of big and bold, whereas Winky's always been elegant and quiet. So the yin and the yang. But we work, and we work together very well. So, as I'm saying, I might mess about and play with toys, and some may like this, some may not. They might just be sort of coming in looking for the magic pill. Sorry guys, it's not that sort of channel. This is just a vlog of my life and my trading, and that is it, because I'm certainly not one of these guys.
You ding-dong!
Sorry, had to get one in. Missed it yesterday and I got wrong. But there you go. And I find the charts quite simple. You know? But it took a long time to understand that. And it really did take a long time. And I've had various events in my life that has made me become disciplined. And discipline is your key. If you're disciplined, you'll follow a plan. And that's what you need. And I have an absolute plan. I know what I'm looking for. I have various tools in my trading toolbox that I use. And I read the charts. I don't let the charts read me. What I mean by that is I don't get too emotional about it. I used to. And it was catastrophic. Lost a lot of money. You know, but once I controlled the emotions and I just started to trade the charts the way I see it, it got better. Because the initial reaction is when you open up your laptop on the morning is you want to trade. You want to trade straight away. You have an itchy trigger finger. I've grown patience and I'll wait for the market to come to me. And that is the secret. So if you're looking for a magic pill, that is it. You know, discipline. Anyway, so what I'll do is I'll jump on the charts because I've been having a look around. I think the Aussie seems to be the currency I want to look at today. So we'll skip through the Aussie pairs and we'll see if we can find a good candidate, and I'll trade it, you know, and then we'll see. It'll either win or it won't, you know. But we don't know till we pull the trigger. So let's jump on the chart. Okay, guys, so here we go. Aussie. Been some strong moves with the Oz recently. The one I've been interested in the most is this one, the Aussie dollar. So we'll have that on, definitely on the watch list. Let's see what else. Yeah, strong moves. Definite contender. Let's see what else we got. Definitely. Aussie card. Okay. Right. So kind of got three looking at it. And I know you'd be looking going, oh, why did you pick them out of all the different ones? Well, there's certain things I look for. And the main thing I'm looking for is movement. I don't mind if something's in a range, as long as there's enough movement within that range in order to make a trade. Now, with this here, for all I think the Aussie is strong, and you can see it's pushing down here on the hourly. The chances are it's going to come down into this area here for a bounce up. So that looks pretty good. I like that. And that's correlating across. See, again, it's pushing down. And this one here, I was already marking up this morning. I think that's going to come to here, onto this line. In fact, I'm pretty sure it is. You know, from there to there. In fact, what we'll do, I will do a one-hit wonder with this one, because I am struggling for time today. So, that from there to there. My target point is about here. Drop it onto a 15-minute, so I can see exactly what's going on. Strong, 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 strong. Bit of a turn. See what the Bolly has to say for itself. Okay, so it's bounced off the Bollinger. It's about 10 pips. So if I go one hit, 10 pip, fire. Right. And we'll see. And we'll see if that'll quickly drop, because I'm looking at that momentum coming in. All right. I will back that up with the RSI. See how it's screaming down. Don't need it. So there we go. All right. Straight into profit. And we'll just watch it. See if we can get quick 10. If this can get up to about 100 quid, quite happy with that. Would you be happy with £100? I think I will be. Oh, we'll find out from the voice of reason. Here, Wink. Yeah. What do you mean, yes? You're meant to hang on my every word. You're hanging on my every word. Right. I've just literally put this on seconds ago, and I'm saying I'd like to get it to £100. Would you be happy with £100?
I would.
Would you? Okay,
Got
now
the
you.
right answer.
Well, you've become cheap, haven't you?
That's better than nothing.
What a cap. There we go. See? And this was just quickly looking at the chart, selecting the right pair, thinking about what I'm doing. You know, can't get it any easier than that. Straight into the zone where I'm toying with. It's sitting on what, 100 quid. I could pull it. An easy way to do it is just drop it down onto a 5 so I can see the makeup of what's going to be happening. There's 3 minutes of that candle left, and it is pushing outside of the Bollinger Band, so I don't really want to hold this much longer than the end of this candle. So an easy way to do that is just get it prepared to stop. So that is ready to rock and roll out when I am finished. And we'll see whether it'll quickly slam into the target and give me 200 quid. Then I'll be done for the day, because like I say, I've got things to do this afternoon. I just wanted to show you a quick trade. And this one was the best candidate. And here we go. So I'll let it play out for, what have we got? Got 2 minutes left of the candle, so I'll just let it play rather than rub it on. But what I am seeing when I'm looking at this, I'm keeping an eye on these wicks, but it's red, red, red all the way down. There's quite a bit of movement down over. But the problem with candles is sometimes you get an itchy trigger finger. I could have quite easily have pulled that the second that it popped into here. But you've got to let the candle finish, because you don't know how it's going to end. You know, it might have in the last 30 seconds a quick flurry and knock you into target. You just don't know. And that's where your itchy trigger finger comes into it. You know, and you get frightened by the market. And you think, there's money on the table. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it. You're right, I don't want to lose it. But at the same time, I want to maximize it as well. And the way to do it is you let the candle play out. You know, if it closes and you think, right, okay, this is going to go wrong way, then you shut it off. But you wait for that candle to close. All right, so I've got like a minute left. You know, so let's enjoy the coffee. Start playing with my toys. We're here. You know, might have to have the Dalek come and exterminate the markets. Although I think the BBC's done a good job of exterminating Doctor Who to start with. Yes, sorry boys and girls, I am a child. I do love science fiction, and I'm just not going to grow old very gracefully anytime soon. You laughing at?
Yeah.
No? Well, I'm still like a teenager. Well, sometimes I am. Okay, so that candle closed off. We're now into the next candle. It is starting to move in the opposite direction, as you can see. However, I still believe my premise is here. boys and girls. So much for the quick 10 points. And this is a good example of how the markets can be cruel, because it went into the green zone exactly where I thought it was going to go, and was just a few ticks off where I needed it to go. However, there's still a lot of pressure down, and my belief is that it's going to bottom out down here somewhere. So while we've got time, I'll mark that in. You see, I think it's going to come into here. My overall position. And with it tightering around, strong drive down, getting across to this here, that is the logical place, this bit here. Twinkle. Which is there. So what we're going to do is this is to like manage the trade, if you want to call it managing the trade. Normally I would have this broken up into little bits, but because I was only going to look to get 10 points out of it, I was doing a quick. But as with life in general, that didn't bloody happen. So the premise of the trade has changed slightly, and this is where management of the trade comes in. The overall premise is still there, and I'm still supremely confident it's going to get to where I want it to be. And as you see, the market is turning around, and this, just having a little bit of a chat with you while it's playing out, and I'm hoping it'll crack down through into here. As soon as it gets down onto this point, I'm going to take half the trade off, and I want to let the other run down. Okay, so what we do, and it's dead easy to do, so I'll just put £10 ready to rock. As soon as that starts cracking over £100 my side, I'll take half off, and we'll be pretty much ready to rock and roll. Okay, so happy days. Pull that door over for us, Wink, will you please? Ah, it's a bit cold in here. Right, there we go. Down it drops. Happy days. Oh, hold on. Good. Good. Right. That's going to thump. Come on. Come on. Do your little job. Be good for Scruffy. Good. Get in there. Come on. Really wanted this to be quick. Not really happening, is it? Let's have a look, see where we are. No, it's 119. Oh, in she goes. Go on. Go. How annoying is that? Right on the button. Right. Come on, push. Push. Pushy, push, push. Today. Come on, 4 ticks. And this, boys and girls, is why I scale. Because, right, that's reversing. Let's go, get that out. That's it, done. Right, not bothered where that market goes now. I've been paid, slammed into where I wanted it to go. and it has just paid me, there you are, 228 in 10 minutes. Done for the day. Don't need trade anymore. Concentrate on my swings, and I'm busy for later on. And that's it. This is what trading is about. It's seeing an opportunity, watching it, and then just trusting your instincts to play out. However, you have to manage your trades as well, and that's what you just seen me do. The initial pulse pulled back. I thought it was going to have an extremely strong throwdown, because my feeling is this thing's going up. But as with most things, they'll go down first. And I just wanted to show you it. So that's it. Nice, quick, easy one today. So I'll leave that. Probably back to the day job tomorrow. I'll try and get some requests done. So thanks for watching. And remember, guys, what you love, money will follow. See you on the next one.